There's nothing better to freshen up the look of your 911 than installing a new hood crest. There are two different styles of the crest, one for the early cars up to 1989 and one for the later cars. Make sure when you order yours that you get the proper one for your car. Make sure you also order a new seal with it. You don't want to put on a new crest onto a ratty old seal. The inside of the hood is manufactured with access holes so that you can remove and replace the crest. Make sure that you don't tighten the two speed nuts too much or you can crack some of the plastic gels embedded into the front of the crest or damage the hood. Simply remove the old speed nuts, clean the hood, install the new gasket, install the new crest, and snug it down. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.